Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Brittany, and on my channel I share a variety of things from vlogs, motherhood, lifestyle, and some makeup. And today's video I'm going to be sharing the Jaclyn Hill mystery box. These boxes went very quickly. They went live last week at 11 a.m. I was on the website 2 minutes before launching, and I was able to quickly snag one of the boxes. I know there is a lot of people who weren't able to get them. I believe they sold out within the first 10 minutes, the entire collection. I was able to get my hands on the biggest box. It was $65, and this is for the love of makeup. I am going to show you guys what is in this mystery box and do swatches of the products so that you guys can get an idea what they look like as well. I know she said that she's not offering this box anymore. It was just a one-time Valentine's Day mystery box, but she did say on her Instagram that she will be releasing a lot of new products coming very, very soon. So I'm definitely excited to see what else she has coming. I love all of her products that I have tried before, and I did purchase the lipsticks a few years ago, and I actually still have them just for the look of them. I don't want to get rid of them. I don't want to throw them away. Jaclyn Hill is my main inspiration for my love of makeup and wanting to put makeup on all the time and learn new techniques and try new things. I started watching her videos in, I believe, 2017. I started watching her videos, and that was when I really started to enjoy makeup and learn how to put it on. I'm still not the greatest. I'm not a makeup artist. I love makeup. I love sharing it, and that's why I incorporate it on my channel. And so I'm going to stop rambling and let's get into unboxing the Valentine's Day surprise box. Here is what the box looks like. I am going to start off with the lipsticks. First, this is Long Wearing Luxe Matte Color in 3 unique gorgeous red shades. So it is a long-lasting liquid lipstick trio. Here's the first one, and this is in the shade Clingy. Has a nice doe foot applicator. There's not really a smell to it. Not a good thing, not a bad thing. Here is the swatch. It's very creamy, yet light. I like the color too. It's a very bright red color. I don't typically wear red that often, but I did get some in another makeup box recently, and I've been wearing it more. Okay, moving on to the next one. This one is in the shade Committed. This one is a more of like a berry tone, not as red. Here is the third one, and this is in the shade Boy Bye. And this one is a lot darker. Here is the next product, and this is the Glitter Gloss Brilliant. Be the life of the party with this never sticky glitter gloss, and it is in shade 24 Karat. This is very pretty. Very gold. It's more of a flat applicator, not really like a doe foot one. That was one coat. I'm gonna do one more just to see if I can get it, build it up a little bit. I am going to apply it on my lips right now. Definitely is not sticky. So that part is true. It smells good. I smell like a tad bit of mint in there. It smells like a Girl Scout cookies, like a thin mint Girl Scout cookies, which is good to me. I love that it's not sticky. I love that a lot because a lot of gloss toppers, especially with glitter, they're too sticky and I do not like them. Next, we have a highlighter. This super creamy highlighter gives you light with every swipe, and it is in the shade, Flurries. The packaging is really cute. Has a mirror. It did come with a plastic inside. I took it out because I actually am wearing this highlighter right now. Just on my cheeks right here. The rest of the highlighter is a different one, but I did wanted to try it out a little bit beforehand. So now I'm going to swatch it. Very shiny. It's definitely a darker colored highlighter, more of a gold, I would say, like a rose gold. But it is super creamy. After that swatch on my arm, it's still really pigmented on my finger. I don't know if that's coming through. Yeah, it's still there. Here's the next highlighter, and this is in the shade Twinkle. So this is a brighter one. I have not swatched this one or opened it yet. So, same packaging, except this is the plastic I was referring to. Let me take that out. And I'm going to use a different finger to swatch it. So soft. Look at that shine. Okay. You could see how much brighter this one is than that one. Wow, very pretty. It's still on my finger. These are very pigmented. I am in love. They're so soft and stay on. Very, very shiny. And that's just a couple swipes back and forth. I'm sure you could build it up if you want to have way more shine. And same with my cheeks. I only just put just a little bit on each cheek. So these next 4 boxes are all the same. They are all the loose glimmer powder. Dazzle them with this versatile lightweight glitter powder. These are all loose glitter powders, all in different shades. So I'm going to open them one by one and swatch them for you. This is the first one, Light the Way. Comes in this little box. You can see my fingerprints. I had just put lotion on, so it's leaving fingerprints on all of the red. Inside, it's like, has a little sticker to seal it. Let me see if I can get it open. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit into the cap so I can swatch it for you. Just put a little bit. Oh, look at that shine. Okay. I wiped these fingers off so I don't have highlighter on them anymore, so I can do swatches of these ones. I'm gonna start off with my pinky on this one. I'm gonna do it on the inside. I don't know if that's really translating on camera or not. Since it's a loose powder, it's a little more difficult to swatch it. Very shimmery and pretty though. So again, that one was Light the Way. The next one I'm going to do is I'm So Lit, and this one looks like a darker one, not as bright. And I think you could use these as like an eyeshadow topper, inner corner highlight, maybe on like your collarbone, maybe for some body shimmer. I'm going with my ring finger on this one. Oh yeah, that one is much more coming across on camera. Darker. Oh yes, I like this one much more. It's much more pigmented and you can see how sparkly it is. And again, the shade was I'm So Lit. Moving on to the third one. This is All Lit Up. I really like the shade of this one too. This one reminds me of the Flexitarian shade from ColourPop, which is one of my favorite highlighters. If you really want to pop and you really want to glow, Flexitarian from ColourPop. That'll give you that beaming look for sure. So that's what this one reminds me of. And again, this is called All Lit Up. And now I'm moving on to the last one and the final product in this box. And this shade is Light Show. Oh, that one's pretty too. Here are all 4 shades. My favorite is this one right here, which is All Lit Up. I like that one the most. But as you guys can see, look how shiny they are and pigmented they are. And then I still have the 2 highlighters on here and the swatches of the lipsticks. So that is it for this video, you guys. I know it was short and sweet. I just wanted to share this with you guys. I know not everyone was able to get their hands on them. I'm so excited to see what Jaclyn Hill has in store for her business in the future and what other products she is going to be releasing. I am no makeup artist, so I don't have the cool backgrounds and the fancy lights and the fancy camera and editing. I'm just a mom who loves makeup, and this is one of the reasons why I wanted to share, just because I have a passion for makeup. I'm not the greatest at it. I'm still learning. Thank you guys all for tuning in. If you liked today's video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you head out and hit that notification bell so you know every time I post. And follow me over on Instagram to see more content from me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.